All right, some people were saying, "Hey, Steve, will you do a walkthrough of the Rolls Royce?" So here, you can see here. Look at that engine. I mean, this engine is very powerful. V12. I used to have a V12 Mercedes 600 coupe. I think it was 600 coupe. That thing was powerful. This V12 is way more powerful. I mean, this, you can see it, engine clean, no issues with the way that it can get worked on. I remember with one of my Mercedes, the way that they had the engine, it was very difficult to work on it. You can see here the way that these engines are built. Yeah, you gotta be one of their mechanics, but it would be easier to work on it. You mechanics know about that stuff. See here, Spirit of Ecstasy. Look at that, up and down. If you mess with it, if you try to, I don't know, some of you may be too young, but people used to take the Mercedes emblems. There was a time, like, there go the Mercedes over there. There was a time where the Mercedes emblem used to be up, not into the car. People were stealing those emblems and putting them on their neck. With this, if you mess with it too much, it'll go down. It'll hurt. It can, do something to your finger if you do that too much. It'll close in on your finger. Be sitting there with your finger stuck in there until the owner gets back. Look at that, the profile. Everybody likes to see the suicide doors open. Very good. Looking at I think one of the things that people realize when they first get the vehicle is that from the driver's seat where the steering wheel is over to the front, when I first test drove it, it was like the car was, actually it was like, I was thinking it was further. It's not as far as it is as it seems. You just got to get used to it. You can see my wife, she has her slippers back there. Someone was saying, now these here are sheepskin, and what somebody thought that I was talking about sheepskin seats. No, we don't have sheepskin seats or covers on it. I'm telling you, nothing will stick to those. Nothing will stick to those. And if you think about an animal, it's just gonna pull right back up easily. You got your umbrellas on both sides, not just one side. Push the button, pops out. There you go, right there. Put that back in there. Let's see, trunk space is huge. Trunk space is huge. And I got these Rolls Royce, from, I don't know, I think it was from Amazon. Cheapy. Don't even use them. They were really cheap. Couple of $100. You see the wheels on there. When you're driving, they reverse. They're looking like you're going backwards, like the car, they're spinning backwards. Driver's side. See here. You see that diamond black? I wanted black on black. I said, if you can't give me black on black, then you don't have a sale. You don't have a sale. Look at that. Black on black. And I said, if you got black on black, you'll have a sale, because if you look at my Range Rover, black on black. You look at my Mercedes, black on black. All right, so that was the tour of the vehicle. Let me know what you think.